Make sure when you're looking for your chicken that you look for free range. It has lived a much more natural life, therefore a much healthier chicken. Okay, we're going to start this beautiful brine with some beautiful citrus. I'm using a lime and a clementine. You can use an orange or some other kind of citrus, but definitely try to use the lime. Here comes the best part, the sake. Ooh la la. This is going to be awesome. Ooh, don't do that. But I'll show you later why you won't have to turn your chicken because of this beautiful sake brine. All right, take it to the refrigerator and refrigerate overnight, or if you need to speed up, you can do it for an hour. Remember earlier I mentioned the sake secret to not having to turn your chicken and beat it up? Well, because it's coated in the alcohol, it cooked all the way around. Gorgeous. So let's get down to our chicken glaze. Now, this is one of our many slow grilled chicken series with wonderful, outrageous glazes. This one today is made with an apricot, peach, mango, chunky preserve, Tabasco, and butter and pepper. And man, with that sake brine, oh. glaze looks amazing. And check out some new footage of this on TikTok.